Hey guys, today I want to show you my do-it-yourself gaming console, which is running all the recent games and all the emulators what you want, so you don't have to necessarily rely on just buying a PlayStation or buying a Nintendo Switch or buying an Xbox or buying a Windows PC, but basically all in one. The overall costs are about $100, so it's quite affordable, and all the parts are from second-hand dealers like eBay and stuff like that. And it's a really small thing, which is cool, so it doesn't really take much space. Everything is built from an SFF case from Dell, the Optiplex XE2. I can show you real quick how it's built. And all the parts are quite custom here, but it's quite easy to manufacture those or to get those. So basically runs two SSDs in here. We have here 3 slices of RAM. Each of them is like 4 GB. By default, this case comes, or this PC comes with 4 GB of RAM, which is not really enough, so you should get another ones. But with 12 GB of RAM, the additional RAM was about, I guess, $15. The whole case has an i5, the i5 4570S, with boost, I guess, 3.4 gigahertz quad core, quite decent. So everything which is necessary you need, and of course a graphics card. And as you can see here, this is a small form factor, so there are not so many graphic cards which fit in there, especially because you need not only a small form factor graphics card, so like low profile, it also needs to be a single slot. And as you can see here, down here there's a power supply, so a double slot does not fit, so it needs to be like here a single slot version. And there are not so many graphic cards available for this, which are quite decent, so I chose the GT 1030, which is quite good price now. I got this one for about $35, and it runs quite good for all the recent games. I was very surprised about that, how good it performs. And for heat distribution, as you can see, it's also not perfect because it has this huge sink engine with it's not a passive one, it's an active one with a fan in there. But for the additional cooling, I also embedded here another fan, which is blowing then the air towards these fans, so actively cooling there. And I also customly designed on the back another end plate, so that the air can freely move across here and get out. About in front here we have another cooler here, another fan to blow another air, and as you can see here, usually here is a lot of junk in there for the hard drives and for a DVD and the DVD-ROM, but you all don't need that, so basically you can get rid of them. In addition, it's just place some SSDs in here. It's faster, keeps it cool, and it's quite good. And instead of the DVD slot here, I 3D printed here these casts, so it lets some more air through here, and therefore the cooling mechanism works quite good. And yeah, over here we just have these dongles for the wireless controllers, so that's basically all you guys need for that. So let's boot up this thing, and as you can see, boots up quite fast. There's an automatic login for this Windows machine, and on startup it's configured to start up with Playnite, which is a free tool. It's pretty amazing, and in this one you can combine all your favorite games directly. So you boot up in this screen and you can have all your games, including just Windows PC games, or some emulators can be directly embedded in here, so you can play all your games from the Nintendo Switch or the Wii U or the NES or whatever you feel you want to have. And the pretty cool thing is here that by using your controllers, you can maneuver all around. So you don't need a mouse or a keyboard or anything like that, just for configuration things. But other than that, you can just play all your favorite games here. So let's, for example, start up this little Nintendo Switch emulation game for gaming here. Runs real fast. And this is a pretty cool thing. So as soon as you press this middle button for a certain time, you can just close the game by yeah. You can also add some shortcuts in this. So basically just some command lines. In this case, for example, just to shut it down, which is running quite good, and shutting down. So you don't need any other tool for that other than your controllers. Yeah, so that's it. If you guys want to know more about it and how everything is set up, just let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.